Here we have the IC, the charge IC. As you can see, we have its reference is BQ24703. Okay, so this is its name in the motherboard, U4. Okay, so this is the charge IC. I will show you this charge IC in the motherboard. So as you can see here, we have here U4, okay, and we have here, as you can see, 24703, okay. We have here the BQ, okay, and as you see, and we have U4. So this is the charge IC. So this charge IC contain many pinouts, as you can see. So here we have in the pin number 8 ACN and ACP. So these two terminals or these two pins connected to the cable sense or to the current sense. Always you will find this resistance in the beginning of every power system in the motherboard. Okay, so this resistance has as a purpose to control the current, the amount of current. So as you can see here, okay, this is its reference in the motherboard R55. Okay, then here we have the AC detect. AC detect means AC adapter. In this pin, the charge IC know if the adapter is plugged in the power jack, okay, here or not. Okay, so here we have the AC detect. Okay, when this AC detected by the charge IC, the charge IC will stop the flowing of current from the battery and will start taking power from the adapter. And when the IC detects that the adapter is removed, it will restart the work of the battery. It will take the power from the battery. Okay, here we have enable. Okay, and here we have AC cell and alarm signal. Alarm signal means this is a signal that can be activated where, for example, the IC charge is very hot. When its heat increase, okay, the alarm will be activated. Okay, and there is other things that can activate this alarm signal if there is, for example, a short circuit or something like that. Okay, here we have the SR or S reset. Here we have EC set and AC press. Okay, here we have EBAT. As you can see, this symbol, okay, means not connected or not used, so the signal is not used in this IC. Here we have the VREF. The VREF is the voltage, the reference voltage. Always in every IC, one of inputs that every IC should have is the reference voltage. The voltage or the reference where the IC can base it in order to generate other voltages. Okay. Here we have the comp. Here we have the NC. NC means not connected, not connected. As you see, always when you find this symbol, as you see here, means not connected. So here, as you can see, we have EC drive. This EC drive, as you can see, if we follow the signal, this is EC drive. As you can see, if we follow the signal, it's passed through this resistance and then go directly to this MOSFET, as you see, to the gate of this MOSFET. So the EC drive signal, as you can see, the EC drive signal control the gate of this MOSFET. If it sends a control signal to this MOSFET will let the 19 volt to pass. Okay. Here we have the VCC. So the VCC is the VBAT or V battery is 19 volt. The VCC is the working voltage for this IC. Okay, here we have the power management, the same thing. This is a control signal that is go directly to the gate of this MOSFET, as you can see. Here we have the SRP at SRN, so this is also goes to this resistance R45 resistance. Also, this is a current sense resistors. Okay, so I will show you this resistance in the motherboard. Okay, as you can see, here we have R45. This is the resistance, as you can see here. Okay, we have here R45. Okay, as you can see, and here we have 15M. Okay, as you see here we have 15. Okay, the same capacity, and we have R45. This is a current sense resistance. Okay, so this resistance, always this kind of resistance used to control the amount of current. Okay, so then here in the IC we have other signals like BAT P, and we have the BAT drive. Okay, but this signal is not connected. We have the VS. The VS, as you can see, means ground. Okay, so if you follow this, VS, as you can see, means ground. It is connected to the ground. Okay, here also we have another signal, the VHSP. Okay, here we have the BAT set, the BAT DEP. We have here the ground, and we have these two pins 11 and 10 are not connected, as you can see, and here we have the thermal connected to the ground. Okay, so this is the reference designator of this IC, as you can see, BQ24703, and this is its name or its reference in the motherboard. Okay,